We know you're busy and that you can't always find the time to tune in live to the Daily Breakfast Show. So we've handpicked the very best of this past week's news, and together with our show sponsors MB Crusher, we're delighted to bring you the Weekend Wrap. In this week's episode, Caterpillar demonstrates the latest in dozer technology, Bobcat double teams Demolition, and we have the mother of all explosive highlight reels. All that and more on the Weekend Wrap. You would think that by now Caterpillar dozers would pretty much sell themselves. It is, after all, the product with which the cat name is synonymous, and the company has been setting the dozer standard for more than a century now. But the company is still keen to highlight the technology crammed into its latest generation of dozers, and we're mighty glad they are, because that allows us to share this brand new video.
Bidding wars, aggressive competition, the scarcity of skilled operators, the rising cost of everything. Every day, you roll up your sleeves and take on the challenges. It's good to know you can choose Cat Dozers, the leaders in design and technology that make it easy to get more done. Easy doze it with Cat Dozer technology. See, Cat Dozer technology is built from the ground up. Powertrain technology and eco modes save fuel while putting more power behind the blade. Best of all, it requires little operator input. With the Cat D6 XE, the first high-drive electric drive in the industry, there are no gears to shift. Power to the ground is continuously optimized. Forward momentum continues throughout the push for faster cycle times. Operators just choose the ground speed and go. That's easy, effortless efficiency. Cat-grade technology boosts the accuracy of operators at all skill levels, so jobs get done faster with less rework at lower cost. Great technology also reduces the number of people needed to check accuracy, so job sites operate safely with reduced labor costs. And Cat-grade technology offers you scalable options for easy, increased earnings. Technology innovations along with upgraded cab features offer operators control and automated assistance that gets better quality work done in less time at lower cost. Cat Command remote control technology provides full dozer operation from a safe distance when working in hazardous spaces. Command offers the choice of line-of-sight consoles or non-line-of-sight command stations. Workstations that can be located in comfortable environments open up a larger pool of operator candidates. Cat Command takes safety and performance to the next level, no matter what your application. From initial cut to finished grade, Cat Dozer technology provides easy solutions to overcome your challenges.
Cornby is known for many things. He is obviously a 50-plus year demolition veteran, a former president of the Institute of Demolition Engineers, an author, and of course the first and quite possibly the only doctor of demolition. But he is also known for his forthright and no-nonsense manner. So when I asked him what he would do if he were named Minister for Construction, this was his response.
For a start, if I was made the construction minister, the first thing I would do is resign.
That show covers a multitude of subjects, including Cornby's problem with those in the construction fraternity, the issues of embodied carbon and waste wood, and the endless saga of the Didcot disaster investigation. It's no secret that I love demolition, and I've never concealed my admiration for the Bobcat brand either. So when my inbox pinged yesterday to tell me there was a new video that combined the two, well, I just had to share it, didn't I? all the latest news, views, video and comment from the demolition and construction industry. Live and interactive each weekday morning at 10 a.m. GMT. Tune in, take part on the Breakfast Show, live. The World of Concrete show is over, and the Las Vegas Convention Center is now saying a slow farewell to all the equipment that was crammed into its halls for last week's event. But the fine folks at Doosan used the show to draw attention to 3 new additions to its Dash 7 machine range, and luckily for us, they did so in video form.
The DX50-7 behind me is one of the newest of our mini excavator lineup. These new machines incorporate standard heat and enclosed cabs, optional heated seats, and another of other creature comforts that make it easier for the operator to work an entire day. Also included with this machine is adjustable hydraulics to make working with various attachments easier, and we offer hydraulics on the end of the boom to operate a hydraulic quick coupler as configured on this machine here at the show. Out of the gate, we have bucket, coupler, and thumb options available, plus a number of other attachments that we can use in the machine. This is one of the new models in our Dash 7 series wheel loader lineup. A year ago when we were at World of Concrete, we introduced these models, and the mid-size machine behind me is the newest of that introduction. This particular machine is a 3.5-yard wheel loader, very popular in construction applications and popular in discussions that we're having here at the show. This machine, we're excited to have it here at the booth to showcase its new capabilities, new features and new functions. There's a lot of great comfort features inside the cab to make it easier for the operator to work an entire work shift. There's more visibility with the machine, 14% more glass area to give the operator a better sense for their work site. And this particular machine has an optional transparent bucket option, which has multiple cameras mounted on the front of the machine to make the front bucket transparent to the operator on a secondary monitor. It's been very popular in this particular application. The DX140 LCR-7 is the smallest of our crawler excavator lineup. Over the next 6 to 12 months, we'll be introducing the rest of our Dash 7 excavator models. This is a 14 metric ton reduced tail swing machine, so that narrower machine width allows access to various applications that is very helpful for the concrete industry. If you're on a roadway, the reduced tail swing machine allows you to maybe close only 1 lane of traffic with the machine while you're working. Also, as consistent with our other Dash 7 models, we've made a number of creature comforts easier for the operator to be more productive throughout the day. We've incorporated a touch screen in the machine to make it easy to adjust machine settings and also see key machine information that is important to the operator as they're working throughout the day. The machine itself offers a number of improvements to machine performance, increased attachment capabilities, fine swing machine options, as well as the ability to run rotating attachments more efficiently and easier for the operator. This machine is also equipped with the optional 360 all-around view monitor to allow customers to see a bird's eye view around the machine. It's very helpful in certain applications, especially in a reduced tail swing machine, to really make placement of the machine on the job site ideal.
Picture the scene. You're in Belgium. You're driving through a quiet village on the outskirts of Antwerp or Bruges. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and the promise of Belgian waffles and Belgian beer awaits just around the next bend in the road. And then something catches your eye through the trees. It's tall enough, and it's the right colour. But could it really be a giraffe? Those mini excavator marvels over at Takuchi have a new model to slot in at the top end of their range. Now, I could tell you about it, but it'd be far better if I just showed you. Our thanks to our Construction Collective colleague, Mr. Nick Drew of the Diggerman blog, for bringing that one to our attention. And as he put in the comments there, I think some of that footage may have actually come from his camera.